Hello everyone. Now this is going to be an important video for all of you who are preparing for the CAT examination and who are looking forward for joining the top-notch Ivy League IIM institutions. As we know, IIMs focus way much more on the diverse profile, one in terms of academic discipline, or could be if you are coming with that genre of experience also. So they get special leverage pointers for people who are coming with arts, humanities, religious studies background. Many of you who will be watching this video are coming from commerce, engineering, medicine or law background, so you do not have the flavor of religious studies or literature or arts in your academic background. So I have selected the top 5 courses which you can do to help to build your profile for the top IIM selections. These are the value additions which you can bring on your CV, apart from talking the managerial etiquettes and the value knowledge base which you have with respect to academic specialization which you are coming from. We can talk about the let's say more diverse field which could be your area of interest to learn or to explore more. So these certification course can also give you that additional bonus pointers on your CV and for the final evaluation selection criteria also at the same time. Okay, so I've selected the top 5 courses that you should actually explore on EDX. All of us know EDX is a platform which is managed by Harvard and Stanford. So people who are looking forward for arts and literature kind of courses, Harvard is the place which you should look forward to. Since you practically cannot go to US, what you can do, you can look forward for these courses on the EDX platform. So I've taken few of them. So the first course which I want you to explore is Modern Masterpiece of World Literature. This is one of the wonderful course where it narrates that how the writer and the author touches on social reforms, cultural reforms, political reforms across various geographies, and how their literature work actually cross the boundaries of let's say geographical boundaries and the linguistic boundaries also at the same time. So it's a fine art literature course which you can look forward to. This is really amazing. If you can explore, go onto the EDX website and search for it. Second is Introduction of Digital Humanities. This is one of the course which I explored when I was searching about how did people evolve, how did culture evolve. So be it the slavery of Africa, or be it the population rise of China, or be it the dominancy of US. This course discusses about how did humanities developed over the time, and discusses about various cultural reforms also at the same time. It also adds the technical and the digital reforms which are happening nowadays, which can actually preserve these small elements, which is a proof of the fact that how did humanities or people evolve over the time period. So this is a mixture of what you can understand is how people evolved and how technology can help you to understand the overall circumstance of development. This is a very wonderful program, the second program that you can actually look forward to join. Third, people who are looking forward for religious kind of courses, this is one of the course which I found, which is about the science of religion. This discusses about what is religion all about, not just one particular religion across the globe, how did it evolve, and what does religion has to do with spirituality. Nowadays businesses also are getting reformed and reformed by spirituality, and they understand spirituality helps individual to perform better. So this is one of the program and course that you can look forward to understand how spirituality, not favoring any particular religion, can help you to become a better individual or better performer at the corporate. Next course is something which you can relate with business school curriculum also, which is on design thinking and creativity of innovation. Innovation is the key. Everyone focuses on innovation. Every corporate wants people to think innovatively, be it on the minutest level or on the research level. So be it problem solving or be it critical thinking, this is one of the programs which you should look forward to, which will help you to evolve your thinking process. Okay, now problem solving is a skill. It's not a technical subject that you can mug up and learn. It's a skill which you have to nurture and enhance. That's one of the programs which you can look forward to enhance your creative thinking and innovation power. Next is, again, as I am focusing way much more on problem solving, businesses will have problems. Managers' attitude and objective is to solve those problems. You do not have to complain about the problems. You have to solve those problems, be it on the consumer level, managerial level, social level, or corporate level, whatsoever. So what key elements you should actually look forward to when you actually solve a business case, or let's say any of the problem, there's a lot of framework, be it for McKinsey, BCG or Bain Company. Everyone has given a framework, but what is the core understanding of problem statement? This wonderful program can actually help you to understand this. So these are the 5 wonderful programs which I explored, and I found out for all of you what you can look forward to is join these courses. Join for free, but if you want a certification, you can pay and get the valid certifications also at the same time. If this video has helped you, please like the button. Please share and subscribe to the channel so that all of you and your friends can get the benefit of it. Thank you so much.